How to get the new YouTube update? Well, everyone is excited to get the update for certain apps and games that you play or you use. And similarly, it is similar in case of YouTube. Now, how you can get the update for YouTube? Well, you can simply head over to your App Store or Play Store and search in for YouTube app. If the update is available, you should get the update button right there. You can see in my case the update is available. You can tap on update and update it. However, sometimes if the update has already been rolled out but you are still not getting it, in that case what can you do? Well, you want to wait. Now, updates take time to roll out in different regions. So updates are generally rolled out one by one in different regions along all the regions. So it might be that it has not yet been rolled out in your region. So you want to wait. If you're still not getting the update, or if you want the update beforehand, then what you can do is you can head over to your web browser and there search in for the YouTube latest version application and download it and install it. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.